Sanibonani, ngiyanibingelela nonke egameni likaJesu uKristu. Bazalwane bami, bazomkhumbula abanye uNtando. uNtando, she's one of ama-guest wethu. She was one of our regular guests last year. Usikhumbula isitori sakhe uNtando ilo sisi lo owake wafika la ezoxoxa ngomshado wakhe. But i-episode yokuqala okuyiyona eyadla umhlanganiso la khona echaza ukuthi wazikhokhela kanjani ilobolo ukuze akwazi ukuthi ashade. So what she did, wanikeza umyeni wakhe imali so that umyeni ukuze azokwazi ukuthi ayomlobola. So isitori-ke salokho siqhubeka njalo-ke siqhubeka njalo up until size simeme nomyeni wakhe naye ukuthi naye ezokhuluma his side of the story. Naye wafika la saxoxa naye waliveza lakhe iside. Mhlambe if uyafuna ukuba updated ngalawo ma-episode unga-check-a nje khona la kwi-YouTube uthi Ntando Ngumbela. I think nabo nje uma ungaya laphana nje it's one of our early episodes. Yes, uzo-check-a lapho-ke Ntando Ngumbela kanjalo noSibulelo Ngumbela. So ibona ama-guest wami lawo leza y'khathi eziphelile. Yeah, wafika nomkhwenyana wakhe walikhuluma naye iside lakhe. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi many of you even suggested ukuthi angenza indlela yokubamema bobabili babe khona kwi-show. I tried my level best kodwa kwangenzeka, but I'm hoping ukuthi as from next year mhlambe kuzokwenzeka. Started ukuthi i-case yabo yayigcina isisezandleni zabomthetho. So mase kubuka njalo ezinye izinto igcine zingasakhona ukuthi ziye in the public nje nanoma ngabe kanjani. So what I did today, ngithe ngoba kudala samgcina uNtando. It's been quite long. Ukuthi ake simfonele nje ke sizwe ukuthi how is it going? Uqhuba kanjani empilweni? Unjani nje? State of life sakhe unjani? Nje impilo injani? Dala samgcina ngoba bese nginokumbona nakwamanye ama-podcast la khona bembiza ezokhuluma nge-story sakhe. So nje ngithanda ukuthi mangimeme i-guest ngiphinde ngiyibize ngiphinde ngiyenze nje follow up ekuthenini ukuthi njani ngoba thina mina myself, this is not just only about podcast and stuff. This is ministry. So umuntu mayefike la ezokhuluma i-story sakhe, we also do i-follow up. You see, that is why thina ama-guest wethu mabefike la abantu uthola sebedlulile baya kuphi ekakhulukazi bongifakazela abaningi. Most of my guests agcine sebuya nako SABC. Yes, because senza uhlelo lokuthi umuntu akapheleli nje lapha kuthina kodwa i-story sakhe siba ye-voice sifinyelele kuyo yonke indawo. So ke bafowethu, nangi-ke uNtando ngicela ukumfonela manje kanye nani awuzwe nansi i-call lethu. Bless you.
Hi, ST.
You're good.
Yeah, man, I'm fine. Kunjani Bathong?
I'm very good. Long time.
Hi, for a long time. It's been a very long time. Hi, bo.
So
Ngacabangwa kuzokwenzakala ngumuntu imhle.
Wangilahla. Ngakuthatha. Ngamane ngabizi i-ex-husband yakho nje hayi wavele wathi hayi wathi ngibaleke.
Mina nokubaleka. Mara ST mina mangibhekile nje i-character yami. Am I the kind of a person ongabaleka mara? Ngabona nama-comments a-negative ngathi yazini mara ngalokho ngakhumbula ukuthi ukhona u-anti wasemndenini
Yeah.
wathi yini mangiqala le jini wathi mntanami i-social media if ayikuphulanga ingakubuilda mara
Hey.
yazi chances are iyokubulala especially kulesi simo okusona. Social media is not for the faint hearted. Kathi mase ngibona ama-comment ngithi hayibo sengijikeliwe nje kanjalo nje.
Yeah.
U-anti washo nkosi yami.
But I'm glad that you are still alive and still pushing. And
hey, ST.
How is everything? Feel like and people have been asking me, Tando, say why.
Really?
And
bayabuza ngami. Hayibo. Ow.
The big thing that people wanted was me to invite you together with your husband.
Really?
Yeah.
Uyazi wena ST yini? Sorry man ngiphethwe i-sinus kuyashisa kule province ngikuyona. Uyazi abantu ne ku social media they forget one thing. Yeah. There's one thing abayikhohlwayo esikhohlwayo sonke. Mangabe kune story, you understand?
Yeah.
Esisathe phithi yiso ukuthi laba bantu lama characters akulesi story ngabantu bangempela. Mara bona these are real people with real feelings. You understand? So abantu bona into abayikhathalele abantu aba social media ukuzi entertainer ngestory. You understand? Forgetting ukuthi laba bantu lama characters akwi story alimala kangakanani and azizwa kanjani. You get my point? Azizwa kanjani. So bona into abayifunayo ukuthi the story must go on. I-story sizophelela kuphi? Sizophelela kuphi? Yilokho abajahile. I'm gonna make an example. I-episode yakho yokuqala owayenza.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
No Butiza lowaya. I-episode owayenza naye ubaba lowaya uyenze ngoJanuary. Kwakuzi 18 if I'm not mistaken.
January. Yeah, that was our first episode.
I think it was on the 18th of January.
Yeah.
Ubaleke khona la ngikusakhona 18th January. 19 20 21. Yes. After 3 days iphumile episode yenu mina ngisathe nami ngisathukile ngisalalela episode yenu ngisathukile ukuthi uthini ubhuti ngisothukile ngama comments ngithukile istory siya trenda. You understand? After 3 days istory siqalile ukutrenda sisaqala nje ukutrenda kakhulu. On the 22nd of January ngaboshwa.
Hayibo waboshwa wena sejele.
Ngaboshwa.
What was the problem? I need to come to the show. And then
yeah, understand. So ngisupporta lesi statement engishoyo ukuthi nina nibalekisela nje ukuthi i-story must go on and i-story sizophela kanjani. We understand. And ningazi ukuthi kwenzakalani exactly and laba bantu abakwi-story bazizwa kanjani. Nikhohle ukuthi kunama emotions lana anazi ukuthi limazana kanjani. You understand? And mina I'm a female at the end of the day. You understand? Ngizwela kakhulu ngizogula ngizolimala and uyazi ukuthi ngine heart condition angithi. So yes, and thina bantu bazi females we are too emotional naturally so. Singabantu aba-emotional and abamzwelayo ubuhlungu siyabufukama ubuhlungu i-pain iyasidla isihle asifani nani mina niyakwazi ukuqina. You understand? So on the third day after ni-releasile the very same person obuya kwi-show ungifake ejele. So you understand ukuthi I'm dealing with izinto eziwu2 la I'm dealing with lezi zinto azikhulumile. I'm still like ngisanambitha zona.
Yes.
You understand? Ngisanambitha zona lezi zinto azishilo ukuthi how okay into ethizeni, this is how he interpreted. Okay, so i-episode ethile yangilimaza kanje mara yena still up until today usayibona ngathi kwangamelanga ukuthi iye yangilimaza, for instance. You understand? So kubuya ubuhlungu, kubuya ama-emotions. You understand? Kuvuleke iy'londa ebese zingathi ziyavaleka. You understand? Yes. And then ngisadila nalokho, ngihamba ngiyaphi, ngiya ejele. Ejele ngizophuma ngebail. You understand? Ejele ngaphuma ngebail, which was more than 2,800. You understand? So uyabona ukuthi even financially kunezinto eningazazi nini ezenzakalayo. You understand? Mara abantu bona into abayifunayo ukuthi the story makwenzeke ngale ndlela bona bafuna ngayo khona manje. You get my point? And mangiphuma ejele angisadili kuphela nendaba yasejele. I'm still dealing with the episodes. I'm still dealing with the trauma yasejele as a woman. Uzohamba etrongweni. And then ke ngoku ne-frustration yokuthi that 2,800 bengiyibekele something else, but now sekumele ngizibheyile ngayo.
Kumele uphume ngayo manje.
Sekumele ngiphume ngayo ejele manje sengingumama sigebengu. You understand? Unyaka uyaqala ka-2024 and uqala ngokuthi mina ngiwuntando sengiyibhantinti. So these are real stories, real people. Ngazibona sengingumama sigebengu nje sengiyibhantinti unyaka uqala January 2024. So you see these things. Uyabona? So it will hit you very hard leyanto mawungumuntu wesifazane and uwumzali, because now you have to deal with your traumas. You also have to deal with your kids who are traumatized. Bebukele uma wabo esehlelwa yilezi zinto. My kids are affected as well.
I was about to ask, how are your kids, Nje?
My kids are affected as well.
Yes.
You understand it? Because they keep watching these things. Bebona uma wabo uyahlupheka nje, uyazi uyasafara, uyakhondemiwa, uyatormentwa, uyathotsharwa. They're gonna say, oh hayi, she's playing victim again. Mara kumele ukuthi sithini ke masichaze izitori zethu ukuze singazwakali ngathi we are playing victim. Kumele sichaze kanjani izitori zethu ukuze singazwakali as if we are playing victim. Sichaze kanjani sithini, singavumi ukuthi lezi zinto ezisehlele ziyasitraumatize nje sisubuhlungu futhi zinako nokusikhohlakalisa. Funeka sithini, funeka senze kanjani, singasho ukuthi lezi zinto ziyaba-affect abantwana.
Asikwazi phela.
Kumele sithini.
Yo. But what was the cause yokuya ejele? Yini the offense oboshelwe yona?
Okay, ST. Angazi nokuthi usakhumbulani na. I think kwi-first or second episode engayenza nawe, I did mention ukuthi ngibone kufika amaphoyisa. Ubabazi ezongiseva engenzele i-protection order.
Okay.
Ethi mina ngihlukane nokukhuluma ngaye social media, and my assumptions were kusho ukuthi ukhuluma ngabo TikTok kanje and ngihlukane nokumposta. You understand? Still my assumptions were okay, kusho ukuthi ngoba ngiyamazi ukuthi u-operator kanjani njalo uma inentombi entsha ngathi okay vele uprotector ama-feelings walo anayo. You understand?
Yeah.
So because lo anaye manje uyakhweleta ama-pictures wasemshadweni wami engawathatha ngizenzela ama-memories wami. Angithi mawuthatha ama-pictures nonkosikazi wakho vele uzicreate-ela ama-memories ukuthi noma ngaba nehlulwe yini noma ngaba senhlulwe ukufa noma nehlulwe yini mara you will cherish those moments.
Yeah.
Angithi so angiboni icala lapho mara there they were trying to force me ukuthi mina mangabi nawo ama-memories, and you cannot do that. You cannot ask me to forget about you. You cannot force me to forget about the memories that we created together.
Very true.
That's very unfair. And now it is unfair ukuthi wena manje ngoba wena usuqhubekile ngempilo yakho usuzofuna ukuthi still mina ngijayivele isiginci sakho ngenze into ezokwenza wena happy nomuntu wakho. Akuhambi kanjalo. So I did mention second episode, I think you forgot. I did mention ukuthi bayangithusela bafike namaphoyisa benza ama-protection order, of which when ST that was a clever move.
Yeah.
If I should give them the credit, that was a clever move because it rewind kancane.
Yeah.
Khumbula ukuthi mina ngilahlwe ngoMarch ka-2023 and ngalahlwa nge-WhatsApp message.
Yeah.
Ngiwumfazi legally so.
Yeah.
Ngiwumfazi owaziwayo umndeni wonke kodwa babona ukuthi kungifanele ukuthi ngilahlwe nge-WhatsApp message. Ubani umfazi wakwalahlwa nge-WhatsApp message? That is
Kujexela. WhatsApp message.
Cabang. So that is why mina ngingazange ngiyithathe serious kakhulu indaba yokuthi ngilahlwe nge-WhatsApp message ngabe ngimane ngiblockwa ngi-unblockwa. Ngathi vele amayijola wenza ngaso sizophinde sibe right. Understand? So kwaba ngu-April kwaba ngu-May, ngoJune kwafika ama-divorce summons. Kula ngaqala khona ukothuka ukuthi how serious mos.
Sure.
Ngabona ukuthi habo i-serious mos le ndaba ye-WhatsApp message. Hayibo mina ngikaze ngibona umfazi mina olahlwa nge-WhatsApp message. So ama-divorce summons mayifika, I was really disturbed. You understand? Ngagula, ngahayiza, I was really hurt. You understand? So ngabona ukuthi ithi ngiqale ngidilishana nama-emotions wami before ngizama indlela yokuthi ngihlangane naye ubabazi sikhuluma ukuthi kwenzakalani. You understand?
Yeah.
So walokho emanyenza lawo ma-games wakhe unblock. So you know what they did? I'm going to tell you why they opened that protection order. Bona bayicabangela ukuthi uNtando usase umfazi.
Oh.
You understand? So uNtando usenayo i-right yokuthi angeza la at any given moment because usenawo ama-rights. You understand? Usewunkosikazi la, usewumfazi lana.
Yeah.
So what do we do in order to make sure ukuthi si-safe akazuza la azodisturba i-peace yethu? That's where the protection order comes in. So bangenzela ngoSeptember bazongiseva ngoSeptember February lalela March WhatsApp message ngiyalahla. June divorce summons. September i-protection order. Bala nje ukuthi nje kwenziwani ngami la kubani ibhola la.
And khona lo sisangafuna futhi naye nilandelana nalapha ku TikTok yaphelela phi indaba yini?
iphelele lapho. You know how clever they are. Uyazi wena ethi kumnandi mangabe uwumuntu onomndeni onabangani. Kumnandi ukudlala ngomuntu ongenabantu. Mangisho njalo, I'm not playing victim, but I'm stating the fact. It's the truth and it's the fact. Kumnandi ukudlala nge-offense. Yazi kumanje ukudlala ngomuntu owaziyo ukuthi akuna anti wakhe ozokubhodarisha, akuna malume wakhe, akunobhuti wakhe, akuna sister wakhe, akunamngani wakhe ozokubhodarisha. You understand? Because wonke lo mdlalo abawudlalile bawenza kamnandi ngoba bayazi ukuthi bona banomndeni, banabangani ababa-advisayo ukuthi masimenze kanje, masimenze kanje, knowing very well ukuthi uNtando yena uzozibhayizela A1. You understand? So what they did after sebengisevile nge-protection order, bebhale yonke lento abayibhalile kwi-protection order, ukuthi angazi mani ukuthi I'm willing, ngangizwile ukuthi ku-episode 2 nizoletha ama-proof ongathi hayi ngiyabonga ngoba nami ngiyawagcina ama-proof. Angazi ukuthi sizohlangana nini, uzozifundela nawe nje i-context elapha kwi-protection order. Protection order ngiyastopiwa, ngingabhali, ngingakhulumi kuba TikTok, Facebook, ngingapost ama-pictures, ngingabhali ngo baby mama, mina ngathi mina ngizobabulala no baby mama, mina ngathi ubani uyathakatha, zonke lezo zinto lezo. You understand? So wabhala lapha kune section khona lapho kwi-protection order, kune paragraph lapho eshoyo futhi ukuthi bacela ukuthi ngingasondeli la bahlala khona. Now vele that was part of the plan. Wonke omunye lo udodo okhulunywayo lapha ya Nkosi yami awukho, but vele the aim of the protection order was to keep me away so that I do not disturb them.
Okay.
Yes, I do not go there ngiyoba disturba. You understand? Kube kusenzeka idrama and into ezinjalo. And okungixakayo ukuthi ever since March bengilahlile nge-WhatsApp message, angikaze nokutempta ukuya laphaya. Hayi ngoba ngangeke ngingayi ST. Uyazi ukuthi izikorokoro zami ngiyazidrivela ziyahamba ziyofika la ngifuna ukuthi zifike khona. You understand? Kodwa ngayitshela ukuthi this time around ngifuna ukuyihandlisha le situation ngendlela different. Because remember ukuthi ngakuxoxela ukuthi ngo-2021 ngangikwi-similar situation with the lady engangize ngiyincenge, sincengana sifonelana sibubolekisana ngendoda, ngithi ngiboleka indoda yami, ngiyacela ngiboleke manje, ngiboleka indoda yami. Yasikhumbula leso story? Yes. So this time around ngazitshela ukuthi let me handle the situation ngendlela ezokwahluka. You understand? Let me not ngibe ngenzi idrama, ngibe ngifuna ukuyokhulumisana nabo, ngibe ngifuna ukuthini, yithi ngihlale la ngikhona until yena ubabazi lo azibuyele, abuyise umqondo. Maybe uzongikhumbula, abuyise umqondo ukuthi hayi umfazi wami lona and ngiyazi ukuthi sibuya kuphi nalomfazi. You understand? Ithi ngalokho ngimkhumbuza uzozikhumbulela this time. So ngazithathela isigqibo ke ukuthi I'm not going to do anything, ngizohlala la ngikhona, la angishiye khona uzobuya angithole khona, ngayihlalela nje kanjalo. You understand? So konke lokho ababekwenza kwakungethusa ukuthi hayibo sebengiseva nangama-protection order, and angithemptanga nokuthempta ukuthi ngingaya lapho bakhona because bengiyitshela ukuthi ngifuna ukwenza izinto differently this time.
I am also referring from the sister enake nathi ukuphambana naye. I think waku-ANC. Indaba yenu yaphelela phi yena?
Usisi waku ANC usaloke ngifonisela ngabantu abango-detective bani mara into abayikhulumayo ST ayizwakali. into abayikhulumayo balokho bebuza imibuzo bafuna ukungi-introduce over the phone, and that's not how it works.
Okay.
Ngayebhala and esisho naku-TikTok ukuthi amane bonisa abantu ukuthi nazi case number siyambamba untando. You understand? Aloko even mangizoboshwa okokuqala phela ngiboshwa kayi-1. Mangizoboshwa okokuqala ngoJanuary, yena usista we-ANC kwasekade broadcastile ku-TikTok ukuthi yena benendoda yami bangibophile ngiyahamba ngiyejele. You understand? Yes. So mase ngiboshwa ngathi bekashilo. And then mase kuqhubeka icase ngabe ngizwe ukuthi no, she's behind. Uyena umastermind, ngoyena one influence, one power. You understand? Osupporta indoda yami, and angazi mina ukuthi i-relationship yabo yini, angazi noma isihlobo engingasazi engakaze nga-introduce kuso ngoba phela uyangizonda nowasisi. Uyangizonda, and inzondo yakhe is based on my relationship with my husband. You understand? Yena nje uyayiqaqisa ukuthi ulwela indoda yami. Recently, I think last month, beqala inyanga last month, bebehoste i-live stream ku-TikTok.
Okay.
Unguye lo asisi we-ANC kwi-panel, naye esi-spokesperson sendoda yami, kuyindoda yami, kungu-baby mama wokuqala. I mean, aziyangikhalela bafethu.
But injani support from people nje, because kunabantu bebe support nje, injani?
I-support yona isasekhona ST, but ayisafani nakuqala. Ayisafani nakuqala because manje naye uye wenyusa amasokisi, angithi ubabazi, wanyusa amasokisi ubabazi, wanabantu bakhe abamsebenzelayo abafana nalo sisi powerful we-ANC. Usisi powerful we-ANC wasebenzisana ne-smear campaign. There's a smear campaign esafomishwa khona laphaya kwi-social media ku-TikTok, especially to destroy me, especially to destroy me, and ukuthi nje ba oppose whatever it is that I have ever said kuma podcast, ku TikTok, and anyway. So they've been doing that, and bane influence. I'm talking about women abane following. You understand? Abalandelwa abantu abako 2.1 million.
Sure.
Now my followers are 75K. I'm talking about people my followers are about 2.5 million, 1. So you can imagine, you understand? And yeah, those are powerful people, you understand, and very influential.
No, it's fine, then let's do this.
Asafani but yona isasekhona, and kube bengingomunye umuntu ngabe kade ngayibula. But ke shame.
Yeah, no, Dando. Thank you so much for taking my call. So what I will do sizocela ukuthi usivakashele nabantu nje bazokubona dala bakugcina.
Oh man, Bona ngisasakhuluma ngi-excited, angithi kade ngagcina.
Oh, you love to come.
Angisakhulumi.
Ukukhuluma nawe nje sizwe ukuthi injani impilo currently nje.
Kumele ngize phela sengaba ngunongoloza manje. Angiboshwanga kayi-1 ngoJuni kungasabandi, ST kuyabanda ejele mfethu. NgoJuni ngavalelwa futhi for the second time, ngingasaguli mangiphuma khona.
Sure.
Yo zangikhalela ngaboswa in front of my kids ke ngalelo langa in front of them uyabona lapho that broke me that really broke me yangibuyisela umva so but ke la I'm still breathing by the grace of God. Ngiyajabula ngizoza ngizonibona uzongitshela ke ukuthi maybe ngingeza mina ngizozwa ngawe.
No problem, we'll be in touch with you.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ubuyisa umama ekhaya nengane.
Thank you so much. Ube right, love.
Yabo.